everybody, we are at Walmart and I have my favorite shopper with me. We've been sitting in the car for a little bit. I was talking on the phone. Say hi! Hi! So we are ready to go shopping. It is not a hot week. It's usually not that hot around this time because a lot of people are getting out of school, vacations. Not a lot of people are like looking into saving money, not like us hardcore people. But anyways, I have a weekend warrior where I need 10 rebates to get $1, and then I have the lemonade bonus where I need 48 rebates to get $10, and I need to get it by the 13th. That's not gonna happen. So let's go inside, share some deals with you. Zardy, there's not as many deals going on as there used to be. I think they were just really hot when the app opened, and now they're slowing down, which is totally fine. Brand Club, I am not a big fan of right now. I like Brand Club, but it's not connecting to my account. Like, it connects and then I have to fix it and constantly fix it. I've already uninstalled it, reinstalled it, did that. But yeah, so we're gonna work on, you know, shop kicks. I don't know if there's a swag bucks deal I may or may not do. We will see, but I'm excited to save some money. Hey, are you ready to save some money? You ready to save some money? Okay, let's go have some fun and save some money. I'm getting the Advil liquid gels. Now you can get the smaller one for $2.8, but I'm actually gonna get this one because I want them. But these are $3.98. We do have a $1 off insert coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $2.98. But then there is a deal with Shop Kicks where you get 760 kicks when you purchase and scan the product. You do have to scan a bigger item, but when you submit your receipt, you will get the 750 kicks, which is $3.04 for 760. This ends up becoming a 6-cent moneymaker. We are gonna get the Chic Intuition Bamboo Razor for $5.97. We do have some $4 off insert coupons that you guys can use. You'll end up just paying $1.97, but in the Ibotta app, there is a deal where you get $4 back, making this a $2.08 moneymaker. Now this looks like it's a regular razor as far as I know, but you can do this deal twice because the coupons are limited too, and the Ibotta deal is limited too, so make sure you guys can stock up on this. Okay, so last week I made a big mistake and I got some makeup and it did not ring out to that price, so I have to remember for them to do it. But this one is $5.35. This is ringing up $2.65. You'd pay $2.65. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 65 cents. This one is ringing up $2.25, but somebody put their fingerprint in it, so I'm not getting it, but that would have been just 25 cents. So we're gonna do this deal and see what happens at the register. We have the Covergirl Exhibitionist for $7.97. Now last week I ended up submitting my receipt to coupons.com, but we do also have a $4 off printable coupon. You'll pay $3.94, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 94 cents for some eyeliner. Doing this deal again because we're always losing nail clippers in the house, but this was $1.97. The tag's still missing after 3 weeks, but you would pay $1.97. Then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 97 cents. We also have another one for $2.32 if you guys want to get that one, which would be $1.33. The Gerber Plantastic is $1.78. We do have a 35-cent printable coupon, or you could go to coupons.com and submit your receipt. You'll end up just paying $1.43. But then in the Shopkick app, you get 270 kicks, which is $1.08 for purchasing and scanning the product. And then you also get 50 cents back with Ibotta. This ends up becoming a 15-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Chips Ahoy Blue Candy Blast. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $7.16, but then you get $3.28 off of 2 back with Ibotta, making your final price just $3.88 or $1.94 each. We have the Hellmann's sauce for $3.47. We currently have a Fetch Rewards deal and Ibotta deal. So the Fetch Rewards, you get 1,000 points for every one that you buy. It is a limit of 5. And then you also get $1 back with Ibotta, and then I have a 10-cent any brand sauce. And then I also have the $3 off of 3 Unilever brands, but it says you have to spend 15, and I've never seen anything like that, so I'm not sure how that works. But this ends up becoming just $1.47. Here we have the Lightlife hot dogs for $3.20. We do have a $1 off printable coupon, or you can get it from coupons.com, but you would pay $2.20, and then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.20 for hot dogs. I think that's a great deal. Here we have the Orbit gum for $1. You guys would pay $1 for it, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 75 cents. And I finally found strawberry, so that's why I'm getting it. Hi everybody, welcome back. Yes, we went to Walmart. Now, funny thing is, I was not sure if I was even gonna hit the weekend boyer. It is kind of slow, but like I said, that is okay. You know, it's nice to take some breaks with extreme couponing, but let's just dig in and I can share with you guys any problems that I did have. I did have a couple, so we're just gonna dig in. So the first thing I did mention was the razors. Now, when I did scan the regular razors, the coupon did not work, but thankfully I did have 2 of the disposable razors. So the disposable razors work for these, the disposable razor coupons work for these bamboo products. So make sure if you guys are using it, you are using it for the disposable coupons, but when you scan this, it works for the Ibotta rebate. So these were $5.97. I used a $4 off insert coupon. You would pay $1.97 for this, but then there is a $4 rebate with Ibotta, making this a $2.03 moneymaker times 2. You cannot go wrong with some free razors, and you make a profit off of that. So I was excited for that. Now I did get some Chips Ahoy. I got some cookies for my family, because why not? But these were $3.58 you would pay. Buy 2 of them and pay $7.16 for the both of these. But then you get a $3.28 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making this $3.88 or just $1.94. So if you guys need some of the Blue Candy Blast Chips Ahoy ice cream, definitely go ahead and get that. I'm not a big fan of Chips Ahoy. I like cookies a little bit soft, so I prefer like the soft and chewy ones. But my family told me, you know, you should get this. So I ended up getting the Life Light Smart Dogs base. Now, I don't know why, but the coupon did not work. I did not use the app coupon. I used the printable coupon, and it didn't work. The only difference was Buzz Lightyear was on the picture, and it's not, but it is a smart plant-based hot dog, so she just overrode it for me. So if you guys have problems with printables and all that fun stuff, make sure you guys submit your receipt to coupons.com instead. But if you use the coupon, this is $3.20. You want to use that $1 off digital or $1 off printable coupons.com coupon. You would pay $2.20 for this, but then there is that $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this $1.20. So I think for $1.20 for hot dogs, I think that's a pretty good deal. I made sure I grabbed ones that expired like later on, because the ones that were expiring was going to expire very soon. So I used to work at a grocery store, so I've always been a date checker. So I totally forgot to check. I don't have my phone on me. You guys, I totally forgot to write this down. I think this was like $3.24 or something like that. I do not remember, and I didn't write it down because I can just do the math in my head while I'm shopping. But I did have a $1 off Ibotta rebate, and I had a 10-cent off Ibotta rebate, and then I got 1,000 points for Fetch Rewards. So I got $2.10 back with the apps. And then that's buy 3 or spend 15. It didn't pop up in my thing at all, so I think you got to do it all in one transaction or something like that. But I didn't do that. But I also had a thing on Fetch Rewards where I was like, buy 2, you get a bigger bonus. I didn't know it worked for this, so I am like 50 away from finishing that. I don't know what the money is for that, but this is a pretty good deal. I ended up getting the roasted garlic sauce, so we got that one. I'm sorry I didn't do the math, but you guys watched the breakdown. I did the clipper. We're always losing our freaking clippers, and I have to have them at like every little area. So these were $1.97. You would pay $1.97 for it, but then there is a Ibotta rebate for $1 back, making these just 97 cents, so that is a great deal. I also got a couple more freebies to share with you guys on that. So I love the strawberry gum. It's hard to find. I can never get it at Target, or I can never get it at Walgreens or CVS, but this was $1. You would pay $1 for it. You would pay $1 for it, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 75 cents. So I'm making sure I put this in my purse. So we got that. Now here's an easy freebie. I'm going to be giving this to, when does this expire? March. I might be giving this to my brother, or I'll see if my brother and sister-in-law want it. But this is a Plantastic baby food thing. This was $1.78. There is a 35-cent printable coupon, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com. But you would pay $1.43 with that printable coupon. There is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. And this changed last night because it was 220 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product. And then when I looked this morning, it changed to 270 kicks, which is $1.08 that you get back with shop kicks. So this comes out to be a 15-cent moneymaker. You guys would make money off of this, and yeah, definitely go ahead and do that. I ended up doing this because I needed some more Advil, and why not get 20 for free instead of 8? I mean, I know it's nice to make money makers, but sometimes when it comes to certain kind of meds, it's nice to have it. So these were $3.98. You would want to use a $1 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. Now, if you guys are not sure where I get these insert coupons, you can just go to coupontom.com. That's what I use, and I just type in what coupon I'm looking for, and it'll tell me what insert to go in. But I used a $1 off insert coupon, paid $2.98, but you get 760 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product through shop kicks, which is $3.04. So this comes out to be a 6-cent moneymaker. So I will definitely take this. I have a little container that I keep in my purse that I put like Tylenol and Advil in there, and that thing is perfect. I could have gotten the regular ones, but I thought we'll get some gels. I kind of like the gel ones anyways. So I got that. I got the Covergirl Exhibitionist, can't say it all of a sudden. These were $7.94. There is a $4 off printable coupon that you guys can use. Otherwise, if you guys don't have that printable coupon, you guys can submit your receipt to coupons.com, which I already did last week. So I ended up paying $3.94 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta. This comes out to be just 94 cents for eyeliner. I think that is a great deal for that. And then I also got the Revlon. Now I did make sure it did not ring up that price. That's what makes me mad, is the app is kind of like a price checker, and they took all the price checks machines away, and then I don't know why it doesn't scan it. Now somebody says it just does that with Revlon. I don't know if that's 100% true or if it works for every other thing, but she ended up what they have to do is they use their phone or their app, whatever they have to use, and make sure it rings up that price. I one time realized I was at a wrong store in my phone, and so they couldn't honor it for me. But make sure you guys are correct. Make sure you guys are in the right store. But she did have to check it with her phone. It rang up $2.65 when she scanned it, so they did override it to $2.65 from $8.94 to $2.65. Then I got that $2 rebate with Ibotta. So this came out to be just 65 cents. So make sure you guys are checking that. And I do appreciate for all the people that gave me advice from it last week with that. So that was everything that I got. I wanted to get some Cetaphil, but my store was sold out of the wipes. And then I was thinking of getting the Poise Ultra Thin because there's an Ibotta rebate. And there was a Fetch Rewards deal. But my store doesn't carry the smaller box, so I did not get that. So, but otherwise that was pretty much it. My total came to $30.74. I did receive $20.13 back with Ibotta. I received 1,035 points with Fetch Rewards, so that's $1.03. I received the Weekend Warrior, so I got 10 rebates at $1. And then with Shopkicks, I received 1,040 points, which is $4.16. I don't know what I got on Brand Club because it's wonky with me, and I didn't do Zardy this week because there really wasn't a lot of stuff that I was gonna get. I was gonna get the lemonade, but I just bought some lemonade when I was at Aldi the other day, and I want that to get drank up before we buy another one. But other than that, my total came to $4.42. I got 12 items at just 36 cents each. I'm pretty happy with my total. But yeah, you definitely want to try to get the baby food if you guys can't get the baby food, and definitely that's the best deal that you can get, along with the Chic razors, and that coupon does expire soon, so if you guys do it, make sure you do it, and then if your thing resets, make sure you guys can try and do it again while it resets if you still have those coupons. But make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. I absolutely love it when people subscribe to my channel. Help me get a lifetime goal that I would love to get just by subscribing. It's free, and I'm here to help you guys save some money. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.